So 0.4 times magnification, you can see the, oops, it's Hi everyone, Richard here. I'm having a look at the 24-105 kit lens. This is the f4 to 7.1, which is normally not used by others. They prefer the higher range, but I love this lens because it's so light. It's 395 grams, and one spectacular thing about this, it focuses really near. At 24mm, it is focused at very near and gives a 0.5 times macro, and well, the animals are out. So, and if you put it at 105mm, it's at 0.4 times. So we shall have a look at this and then look at the macro capabilities as well. So this is retracted at 24mm. This is f4, but when you zoom it out to 105, it is as f7.1, which is very dark actually. But if you use this lens for macro, you don't need to worry about the 7.1. It's actually advantageous. You actually need f10, f11 or f9 above to get the macro. So, and the best thing is this is very near to, if you're using this lens, it's very near to the 85mm f2 macro, which is 0.5 magnification. So at 105mm you're getting 0.4. So we'll have a look at we'll take some shot on some macros and some photos here. And we can see there's a bug there. It's a beetle actually. It's a very metallic beetle. I set this to ISO 1600 and f11. At the same time it's 1/160 shutter speed. So you can see it's quite near already. You can focus until there, and then it's 0.4 times magnification. You can see it's 0.4 times magnification. I shall run a record for that. So 0.4 times magnification, you can see the, oops, his fell off. Okay, so you saw that was 0.4 times magnification when it's at 105mm. But what I added is another 27mm of extension tube here, and it'll give it a significant boost on the macro capabilities at 105. And we shall have a look at how it looks like. So now you can see is with the extension tube, it's a bit darker. Oh, there's a bug landing there. It's a bit darker, so you need to either reduce the shutter speed or increase the ISO, which will increase the ISO to 2005, and there's nothing wrong. The R5 would be able to handle it. And there's another bug here, beautiful bug. Maybe we shall go this direction and try to get a shot. Hopefully this time it doesn't fall off. So now 2.5. So oh, it's the wind is. So your biggest nemesis in macro is wind. Okay, this is with the extension tube, and it's bigger than before. You can go nearer. Okay, now you can see the magnification is huge, big, much bigger. Okay, that's the closest I can go. And the beauty about this is the IS on this lens is fantastic. Is the RF system with the image stabilization is great, and you can grab video with it and no problem, it's stable. So it does help on the macro capabilities. So if you find the extension tube not giving enough magnification, you can also add on this Raynox 250, which is another 2.5 times. And the beauty about this lens is because it's small, the diameter, and then you can just clip it on and it just goes on, and you get another 2.5 times magnification here. So we shall test this out and see how much more zoom we get with this. at 105mm. So just my luck, there's a ring spider here, and you can see that there's the spider, very small spider. And now we have the extension tube plus the Raynox 250. Let's see how close we can get near to this spider. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the LCD screen, but okay, the beauty about the Raynox is it doesn't take away light, because it's just right in front of the lens. It is not an extension tube, so it won't take away the light or make it darker. So even if you don't want the extension tube, you can use just the Raynox with this lens, 24-105 kit lens, and get nice macro shots. Let's bring the focus down. Beautiful spider, just waiting for his prey. I'll show you the photos in the end of this video. So all the photos I take, I'll show you at the end. Let's do a video of it. And the wind is blowing. Okay, that's the video. And bear in mind, macro, the stabilization is working overtime. It's not very good stabilization technically, but this one with the IBs of the R5 and the lens stabilization, I would say is doing quite well. So that's the ring spider with the extension tube and the Raynox 250. So it looks big on the sensor now. Okay, there's one trick up in the R5 as opposed, because it's 45 megapixel. I can switch it to crop mode, which is the 1.6 times crop, and I will get additional 1.6 times crop in to the macro, plus means I'm getting a 17 megapixel image. But let's look at it, how close we actually got to the spider. So with the flexibility you have on the 1.6 crop and still have a good image quality, which is at 17 megapixel, which is more than sufficient, and the full 45 megapixel. So the beauty of using this R5 to do macro, you're very flexible. You have crop mode and the full 45 megapixel. The reason why I'm here also is to test out this KV2 new diffuser from Canon, and he's the creator of this diffuser, and I'll give a link to his site now, and you can have a look. And I'm very happy that I get to test this out. This is a new design that he's been developing for many years, and then now he's got this much smaller, much portable version, and that's why I'm here to test it out. Okay, there's a beautiful plant hopper here, which every time I can't get near it because it will just fly away. Yep, that's the plant hopper. Hopefully I can get near. Let's bring out the LCD. So again, I'm just using the extension tube without any Raynox. Hopefully I got that. Oh, too bright, so I have to reduce my ISO. Yeah, we'll give it one more try. And it's gone off to the next leaf. Let's hope I can get that before he flies off. Bingo! Look at that! Beautiful! This diffuser is fantastic, good. I'm very pleased with it. So do check out his site for this diffuser. boy, a fly. You must always take macro with a fly. Let's have a look at that. So 105, and we're gonna get closer. Oops, get the first focus first. Oh yes, I have focus. And this with the crop, 1.6 crop, so I can get closer without the Renox. Oh, crazy good. Never underestimate an RF lens. Even though it's a kit lens, it is still bloody sharp. Wrongly focused, never mind. I've got another one which is rightly focused. Beautiful. I've got a nice fly shot, then I'll show it to you guys at the end. I need a side shot. Gorgeous. So I've got it with a 1.6 crop, so it looks big. Okay, there you have it. I've tested out the kit lens on the R5 with the 24-105 f4 to f7.1. Sorry, don't mind the camera is shaking because my camera is on plant and it's shaking because the wind is blowing. So I'm testing it out. Sorry. And very pleased with the lens as well as the diffuser. So do stay until, and I'll put up all the photos that I've taken and the videos that I've taken at the end of this video. And do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you like this kind of video, if you like the shaky camera, and do subscribe for my next video. See you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.